Winter is here and we have to add lots of layering and heavy sweaters, coats, boots. So today's video I am going to share with you comfy and chic footwear. First part of this video is integrated to Vivaia footwear. If you don't know what is Vivaia, Vivaia is the brand. They are more focusing on sustainability and eco-friendly footwear. These are the footwear which are chic, effortless and comfortable and stylish at the same time with the recent trend. They are committed to use a variety of eco-friendly materials using recycled plastic bottles, wool, rubber, vegan leather and herbal. Those aim of minimizing impact on environment and establish a low waste process. All of these products they made by using recycled materials and 3D technology, and those team has established a zero waste process to create a seamless 3D knitted design for the ultimate combination of comfort and the function. Each pair of those shoes is the reincarnation of 6 plastic bottles that come from the city waste and the ocean. And not just for shoes, all of those packaging boxes are also created using 100% recycled cardboard, and they are trying not to add artificial colors to those packaging to avoid the extra waste and not to harm to our environment. I picked up 3 shoes which is very comfortable and best for the formal as well as the casual wear. First pair I picked up Margar Walker Mary Jane. It's like a ballet flat. This is in a black color and the flat which is very comfortable, extremely lightweight. I love the style and the fabric is very soft. And the best part of this sandals, we can machine wash and very comfortable for taking everywhere. Very easy to carry while traveling, as these are comfortable and light in weight. Very easy, we can spend a whole day with these sandals. I love the design of the sandals and the adjustable strap and the square toe, which is very fashionable. One more thing, they enhance the front width. It is very comfortable for the wider feets. This year they made some improvement with the insole, like they added double arch support and the pressure relief. You can see over here it is in the diamond shape, which is very comfy. Next pair I picked up square toe zipper boot in a nutmeg color. I love the zipper style on this and the square toe. The color for me, it is like my skin color. This made with a soft knit and the water repellent yarn, which keeps our feet dry and cozy without adding lots of layering like socks or the tights. This modern design elevates my style and keeping me cozy at the same time. This is must-have boots. Next pair I picked up pointed toe kitten heels. This looks so gorgeous and I love this kitten heels. Look at the style, it looks so gorgeous and the lightweight and very comfortable. If you are petite like me and wanted to add the height with your sandals and you want lightweight and comfortable heels, this is the best choice to keep in the wardrobe. Must have this piece, and look at it. Looks are very stylish and I love the 2 shades in this, the black and the cream ivory color and the pointed toe which elongates my toe. If you want to try these shoes, I have a coupon code for you, 12 MRUGLA. It is on my screen over here and the description box below. You will get the 12% discount. And check out the links I share, my sizes and the pattern of the shoes down below. Let's see how I style these shoes with the other outfit. First outfit I style with the kitten heels. I love to add the contrast color combination with this outfit. It is like a semi-formal outfit or the business casual. The brown, black and the tan. These colors very well go each other. This wide leg pant in a brown or the russet color, such a gorgeous color. It is a lovely color. As this is the wide leg, I like to style with the body hugging tank top in a black color. How this outfit elevates my look and very chic and the comfortable outfit at the same time. I am going to style with my kitten heels, which has a lovely shades. On the top of it, I like to add the trench coat in a tan color. It is perfectly matching with my kitten heels and I love this look. It is very stylish and comfortable look and the cozy. This is completely a business casual outfit. Next outfit, I like to style with the square toe boots. And I want to style this with the classic black and styling with the nutmeg colored boots. Look at the denim in a black color. It is a flared style denim and absolutely my favorite, and styling with the black sweater which has a gorgeous knitted work, and I'm going to tuck from the front. And I'm keeping the back as it is, longer and flowy silhouettes. Looks so comfy and chic outfit at the same time. And I'm going to styling with the boots. This is extremely lightweight boots and comfortable and cozy. This is the look. Next outfit, I'm going to style with the ballet flat sandals in a black color. The straps are adjustable. If you have a wider feet, you can adjust how much you need. And styling with the basic color combination black sweater with the cream color denim. Black and white combination. And this denim is a mom high-waisted denim which is very comfortable, and I absolutely love the turtleneck line sweater which is very comfortable, and I'm going to style with my flat sandals. This outfit is very comfy, classic outfit, and I love it. This look we can easy to carry, and this is the no-brainer outfit. Lastly, I like to carry a office bag, and this is the perfect formal outfit. Looks are elegant and chic. Next outfit, styling with the kitten heels, similar black sweater, and I like to style with the black skirt. And I absolutely love the front slit on this skirt which is very comfortable to walk around, and I love this style. On the top of it, I like to add the kitten heels to adding the contrast color on this outfit. And I like to match with my kitten heels. I like to style this outfit with this tan small handbag, and this is the look. Last but not the least, I styled this outfit with the square toe boots. This is the similar black skirt which I styled on my previous outfit, and I like to style with the green sweater. I love this color. It's like a forest green color, and love the knitting style on this sweater, and I love the deep neckline. I tucked the front side of this sweater and creating this gorgeous silhouettes, and this style looks so gorgeous and elongated my outfit with the boots. This outfit we can style as a formal outfit, and this is so gorgeous. video will helpful to you. If you like these outfit ideas and if you are looking for effortlessly chic sandals or the boots, make sure to check out the Vivaia website and use my discount code. If you like this type of contents, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.